Hi, I'm Officer John Manfredi. I'm here to welcome you to the second annual community bike ride for the city of Rolling Meadows. We have a lot of music playing in the background. We have a lot of people coming out. This is our pre-event to National Night Out, which is going to have Jim Cornelison of the Chicago Blackhawks. So you definitely want to come out to that. You definitely want to come out tonight and ride with us throughout the city of Rolling Meadows.
It is so exciting to see so many people out here this year, and it looks like it's already even bigger than it was last year.
My name is Brian. I live in Rolling Meadows here. What a great day. And I took my son Logan and Aubrey for a nice evening out to go for a bike ride. What a great experience it was. It's a great time.